Exempt, making customs simple. Here's how to create a C-17 declaration form for arriving visitors with nothing to declare. Step 1. From the main menu, select C-17 form for accompanied baggage. Step 2. From the passenger screen, tap Next and enter your travel information. Select airline or vessel. Enter flight or vessel number. Select the number of passengers, including you. Select the country you're traveling from. Select the state you're traveling from. Select the city you're traveling from. Enter the number of bags. Select your date of travel. Select your date of departure. Enter your travel agency. Select your island of stay. Select your hotel of stay. Select the purpose of your trip and tap Next. Step 3. Skip baggage information by tapping Next. Step 4. Skip upload invoices by tapping Next. Step 5. Skip alcohol and tobacco information by tapping Next. Step 6. On Terms and Conditions screen, under Exemption Status, choose Nothing to declare. Step 7. Accept declaration. Step 8. Tap Calculate Duty. Step 9. Scroll if necessary and tap Submit to Customs. A Submission Received notification will populate with your C-17 form number. Tap OK to save and view the PDF version. Then tap Download and you will be notified when your form has successfully downloaded on the home page. Exempt, making customs simple.